Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, with a huge thanks to Porsche of Nashua, we have the 2025 Porsche Carrera T. This is essentially the base Carrera changed a little bit with the manual transmission. Very, very cool. And honestly, one of my favorite 911s I've driven, especially as a street car. Finished here in slate gray neo. Look at that. That's so cool. Over carbon buckets, blue seat belts. Carbon buckets, the one thing is getting in and out. Not too bad once you get used to it, but all right. Do have the build sheet here. Leather interior with plaid sports text. Sports design front fascia, Carrera T logos in gray, seat belts in Arctic blue. Front bucket seats included with rear seat delete, sport chrono, Burmeister, which is awesome, surround view, lane change assist in smoking package, even though this is a non-smoking car. Do have a nice manual transmission badge there. Gearbox, wooden shift knob, reminiscent of old Porsches and the Carrera GT. 388 horsepower. I want to say this is a 3.6. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an absolute idiot. So 388 horsepower. I'm gonna Google it right now. Sorry guys, I should have Googled this. I actually did, and I completely forgot it. So 3 liter. I knew that. I knew it. I'm sorry, I'm an idiot. Oh yeah, these tires pick up some stuff. Drive mode switch is right here. I'm in sport because that gives you burbles. I love the seating position that these carbon buckets give you. It is phenomenal. Gearbox, perfect. Then once you're cruising on the highway, you're perfectly fine. Super comfortable. What I love about this is, yes, you have the GT3, the GT3 RS, the GTS. Those are all a handful on the street. You know, you cannot extract all of that car on the street. And you can't do that with this one either. The limits are so high in this, you're not touching them on the street. But what you are doing is getting closer to them, using the power, and getting a good feel for the car on the street. And that's what I love about the Carrera T. And I loved the 992.1 Carrera T I drove. I just thought they were so good, and just the perfect car for driving on the street. And yes, you can take this to a track day and turn some amazing lap times. And if I bought one, I would. But where this car really shines is how fun it is on the street. And I was always the person that said, oh, you needed a 911S or better if I were to buy one. Until last year, I drove the 911 992.2 Carrera on track, base Carrera, and I was blown away. I was like, this car is phenomenal. The limits were still so high that I knew I was a limiting factor. And yeah, if I had more laps in it, I would have gotten a little bit more comfortable. But it's very clear that this is the perfect all-around 911 in terms of affordability. Yeah, it's still a lot of money. It's still like 160 grand, give or take. But it's not 300. You know, it's so perfect for what I'm looking for in a driving experience, that if I had the money for one, I'd buy it like that. I don't. You know, listen, not a lot of people do, and I'm still young. I'm only 26. I got all the time in the world to buy one of these. But if I won the lottery, I'd be hard pressed. Yeah, okay. If I won $1 million, I'd be hard pressed to not go for this over a GT3 RS, because I want the money for other things. It is that good. It's just the perfect all-around package. And I think that's a good note to end this review on. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Porsche of Nashua for tossing me the keys. And I will see you all in the next one.